Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. What's going on with y'all? So I want to let y'all know about this jet ski. If y'all interested in ever owning or buying a jet ski or ever riding one, first time experience, gotta holler at me. Subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Down. Touch that button. Just hit it. Hit it. It should be red. If not, I done changed it, but it's red.
And
so I'm gonna let you know.
Tell them what you on right now. The unboxing channel.
The unboxing channel. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So this is Black Pearl Spitfire to the world. That's how it goes. You know what I'm saying? This is what we do. So I'm gonna let y'all see what it is.
And listen, man. Hey, subscribe, man. Remember to subscribe, bro. Subscribe. Leave a thumbs up, man. That's what I'm saying. Run this up and let we do this, because I mean it takes time to make content, and we got a lot of excitement and a lot of things coming, man.
And a whole lot. So if
Yeah,
you ever
man.
want to ride a jet ski, you gotta holler at us, man. We'll let you know what it is. Because right now what I got here, this is I don't even know, a RXDI, a Sea-Doo. It's a real nice jet ski, basically. You know what I'm saying? Pretty fast, 62 miles an hour. Top where it tops off at. You know, I mean, I don't know what else to say. You just gotta look at it. I can't talk too much, because when you're ready, you know, we'll get it right. You feel me?
Subscribe and subscribe to the channel, man. The Unboxing TV, yo. If you're ever thinking about buying a jet ski, renting a jet ski, or owning a jet ski, get it, man. They're fun. Yeah, you gotta also know the dock up too. Look at all the skills. Look at all the talent. See that? Pure talent. God damn.
Moolah kid type of
Yeah, we out here, man. Next is gonna be me taking my boat, docking it up, and showing y'all what time it is. Sea-Doo. See, you gotta have that docking skills. Yeah.
That's why I say, man, y'all should have came a little bit prepared, but hey, it's all good. We'll get it right though.
Yeah, yeah, it's nice, man.
Appreciate it.
Nice. You might as well go for a long ride all the way out there and back, man.
Huh?
You might as well take it all the way out there and back.
Think so?
Yeah. We got you right here on the Unboxing TV. Tell them people to subscribe to the
Man,
Unboxing
y'all gotta
TV.
subscribe to the channel, man. You gotta subscribe to the channel, man. Y'all see what's going on. We out here, man, on the Sea-Doo, man. You know how, if you know anything about skis, man, y'all should know this is a fast ski. It's 2 1/4 pistons. It's a 2-stroke, but it got 2 1/4 pistons in there. I don't know if y'all know about that. But if you know about this ski, it's all the information I gotta give you, man. Can't give you no more. But make sure you subscribe. Hey, how you doing, bud?
Yeah, man.
You gotta subscribe, man. Subscribe, man, to the YouTube channel, man. You know, you got to, man. Check it out.
Yeah,
We'll
we-
teach you and show you everything that you need to know. All you gotta do is subscribe. We'll give you all the information. You know how it go.
Yeah, we out here freestyling today, man.
Really?
On the
You know?
phone, bro.
This
Yeah.
is what we do.
Yeah.
I know you're all live. Sorry about that.
No, that's fine, man. Yeah, that's a nice one, man. Suzuki. All right, we out.